Hello everyone. Today is a fantastic milestone for Valantic and Abaco. With Abaco and the almost 150 great colleagues, we found a perfect fit because we both share the same values and our passion to have measurable business impact at our clients. As a new member of our Valantic SAP division, Abaco will be strategically important for our internationalization as well as for our growth ambitions.
When we first met Valantic, we found an entrepreneur organization, respected and respectful, that shared the same values, passion and ambition to be part of our clients' success story. Joining Valantic means expanding our portfolio, accessing the global market, and creating together new opportunities for our consultants and clients.
Our common goal is to become the most respected digital transformation consultants in Europe. Bem-vindos, caros colegas da Abaco. Estou ansioso de novo capítulo que iremos escrever juntos na Abaco. Very welcome to our Valantic family, and let's have a lot of exciting projects, a lot of success and a lot of fun. See you in Porto. Bye.